Hi, I am self-cleaning my oven. Can I use the stovetop while it is cleaning?
What's the make and model of your oven? And can you guesstimate how old it is?
Me 595 Robu maybe 5 years old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I want to use the stovetop while oven is self-cleaning. Can I do that?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. The stovetop should not be used during self-clean due to the intense heat created during the cleaning cycle. If you don't, I receive no credit for my work. The deposit you place stays with the site. You may post back at any time with follow-up questions. Thank you so much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.